I mean, it's either I build damage or just crit, really. And none of her kit really does matter if she gets a crits. Well, unless I go for that one thing, but only if I can break damage limits, so I don't know. So don't get hit when I play the wrong. Okay. How do I know when it's the right one?
Not impressed. Oh well. Just try it. Bring it on.
I see.
Bring it on. Bring it on. Bring it on. Oh well. Let's try it. Bring it on. Bring it on. Just try it. Bring it on. Just try it. Not impressed. Oh well. Just try it. Oh well.
Yeah, I know I'll get crit from Picto, but I don't know. Then I guess I just do Might.